Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Mera. Namaste, आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm here to share with you an amazing book, and that book is all about mindset and communication. And this book has helped me a lot, and even author says to read it for 100 times. And it's a very short read. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. And before we get started with the video, Happy Republic Day to all my Indian viewers out there. And it's a crazy thing, right? In 1950, 26 January, we had our own constitution. I would like to read out a letter which was submitted on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950, removing the Government Act of India. We, the people of India, have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So, this was a letter which I read out for all of you, and that's how we got our Constitution. It divided and celebrated for 3 days. More on that, you can research on it because this is not the topic which I should be addressing today. So, happy Republic Day to all of you and all my Indian viewers, especially. So now let's get started with the video and let's deep dive in and what this book talk about. Talk the talk. So before we deep dive into the book, let's talk about the man himself. This book, Talk the Talk, is written by Angelo M. Damico. Angelo M. Damico is a most profound businessman, a church, and a civic leader. And despite being producing $1 million every year, he was in debt of $100,000 initially with his wife and was living his life paycheck to paycheck until unless he was introduced to this MLM business. So this is a very good news for all the people who's doing network marketing that this book is something which has been written after lot of efforts, lot of experiences, lot of failures, and this has helped many networkers out there. And this book claims that you should read at least 100 times because this is a very short read. Like anybody can finish this book in an hour if you're a good leader or if you are a normal reader as well. Like still amateur reader, good. You can read in 1 hour because the only thing you read in this book is quotes related to mindset, quotes related to success, quotes related to prospecting, quotes related to discipline, quotes related to closure, quotes, and quotes. That's the only thing you will read about it. Now let's deep dive into the book and see what it has in store for us and understand the mindset behind it and what you can get from this book. The powerful expression in this crazy Talk the Talk book is all about communication tools which are shaped and written after lots of trial and errors. And this book has helped many diamonds. With diamonds, it's a rank in a business. So leaders who are doing MLM business will definitely resonate with this. And Talk the Talk has helped with a lot of leaders to become one of the diamonds who are highest earners in this business. And Talk the Talk comes up with amazing questions and phrases which will help you retain and do all these four things which are required in a network marketing business. They are being handling objection effortlessly, making new contacts effortlessly, and sorting out the real prospect from the pretenders and motivating and training your distributors. So this book is a crazy read, and if I have to recall one of the quotes, like I have personally read that 46 times, and this book is an amazing read to be honest, because it always gives you insight and things which literally need to grow forward. So, what is that one quote which I always remember and stays on the tip of my tongue? That is, it's choice, not chance, that define our destiny. I repeat, it's choice, not chance, that defines our destiny. Such a powerful quote. We sometimes tend to pretend and procrastinate on things which is happening for us and think that when things get better, we will do it. But let me tell you guys, situation will come like this, but it's your choice and decision which will take you to another level. So take a decision, take stand for your life, and just move forward. Do it. Just do it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope I was able to add value. And if you guys like the video, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. And yeah, guys, read this amazing book because 100 times is nothing. I've started reading this book in 2019. It's been almost 2 years now. So if I've read for 46 times, which means I am lacking behind. I would have done that way before, but that's okay. So I'll be completing it by coming 5 months or so. So I hold myself accountable for this. And also, I've started a group where all the book lovers come together and share their experience and do many things. So I'll put the link in the description box from where you guys can join and have fun as well. So yeah, I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.